down at the Civic Center again on Saturday, November 4, 2023. The time is 11:10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm shooting across from the side of the East Bowl canopy where they're doing some rehearsals down here. The event doesn't open until 1 p.m. So just shooting a little bit of what's going on here. On day 2 of the Dreamy Draw Music Festival, Scottsdale, Arizona, Scottsdale Civic Center. Got their bass cranked up. You feel it vibrating the library building here. You feel it all across the area. Very heavy bass speakers. Alright, just shooting a little bit here. And I'm going to move on around and shoot some other stuff today on into the evening as I'm down here in the area. Alright. Right, here I am on the north side of the East Bowl, shooting back towards the canopy here. Just a few minutes after I had originally been shooting on the other side over there. So got my telephoto lens on here and shooting back towards the stage. I'm not sure how much is visible from here, but there is a group on stage practicing now, getting warmed up for their set that will come probably starting at 1 p.m. I'm guessing today. And back over here, as I showed yesterday, there's some little tents for probably food or something like that. So this is what we have going on down here on Saturday, November 4, 2023 at the Dreamy Draw Music Festival at the Scottsdale Civic Center in Scottsdale, Arizona. Time now is 11:19 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to keep moving around shooting stuff throughout the day here on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Using the Filmic Pro app today. Have been using also the Blackmagic design app too, but was having some problems with that, so shooting with this for today. And moved on around in front of City Hall, shooting across the Civic Center lawn here in the lagoon. Another beautiful day down here at the Scottsdale Civic Center today. Temperatures in the 80s. Temperatures will probably drop down below 70 by 10 p.m. tonight, I would think, possibly. So it'll be a pleasant day overall. Back over here, got stuff set up under the canopy over there. got the fans working. Maybe even that third fan is working today. This is what you can see from the vantage point here at City Hall. Not a whole lot different from yesterday, and it's now November 4th. And the Performing Arts Center back over there in front of us, the big building. That's the entry point. On the west entrance of that is how you enter the music festival. So just a little bit of flavor of what's happening down here on November 4th, Saturday, 2023. Right, I moved down to the West Paseo here, and we can see they've smartened up since yesterday, and they've retracted the fence back down to where the event actually starts. So as I pan around here, you can see that the West Paseo is all opened back up again, which is how it should have been in the beginning. Why they thought it was going to be a good idea to fence all this off, I do not know, but looks like they've seen the light, and they've got this opened back up again. So looking good for the tourists that come down here just to enjoy the area. So just want to shoot a little bit of this. I'm going to walk on around and shoot a few other things down here this morning. Right, I'm down here on the public walkway side of the area here outside the fence, as you can see by Fancy. I'm going to shoot over the fence here just a little bit and give a sort of example of some of the venues along here. You can see the different venues that are set up. I'm going to try to walk along this without tripping over something. But just a sample of some of the venues that are set up down here for people to come and enjoy and check out stuff. So it's down here by the Swahara Hotel. So just shooting a little bit of this. And more tents down that way. And AZ88 back over there. So just a little bit of this. Alrighty. Right, here I am shooting over the fence by the Aline, new Aline bar that's under construction. You can see the patio area is coming along here. Starting to get that fixed up. So this bar's coming along. Moving towards completion here sometime in, I guess before the end of the year, maybe would be their goal, so it'll be ready by January. But just a short little bit of this to show how the progress is coming along here. Alright. Right, here I am up on my stair perch area here, looking out into the west bowl, across the Civic line, over to the east bowl where the canopy is in the distance. Band's still rehearsing down there, it seems. And around here at the 360-degree canopy directly ahead there. This is the Dreamy Draw Music Festival being held at the Scottsdale Civic Center in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is Saturday, November 4, 2023. This is day 2 of the 2-day festival. So today will be the big finale. Probably some of the bigger acts will be playing today. I don't really know. I'm not really familiar with the people that are playing down here. I've heard a few of the names, I think, vaguely, but just going around shooting brief things here and there. I'll try to get some more in tonight. But this is what we got going on here on this beautiful fall day in Scottsdale, Arizona.